Again, we are learning about the suicide family more and more. In this video, we are talking about the 20th century gemstone. It is Tanzanite. Main thing in Tanzanite is it is given pleochroism in three sides in three colors, trichloric stone. So x-axis given pale pink to red violet. This is x-axis. Y-axis given nearly colorless to bright pink or deep blue. Z-axis gives pale yellow to yellow green. This is the main thing we have to remember with the suicide families Tanzanite. Please subscribe when you forget to subscribe and give share to our youth and give a like also. Tanzanite is the blue to violet gem variety of the mineral suicide. Since its relatively recent discovery in 1967, it has become a mainstream and popular gemstone and is used extensively in jewelry. Mainly in jewelry, it replaces the blue sapphire. So it is very nice. It is giving very, very nice color. Very close color in this gemstone's color is Nil Katarodu flower in Sri Lanka. That is the closest color for this gemstone. So, to date, Tanzanite is found only in the Tanzania. And it was named after its country of origin. So, it is given only in Tanzania. So, it considered as a rare stone because of its native country. Only Tanzania. No any other country can find this gemstone. Chemical formula for this is calcium, aluminium, silicate, hydroxide. Both are silicates. You know, in early lesson, we learned suicide and another mineral. The difference between those are crystal structures. One is giving this, the other one is giving this. Both are same amount of atoms. Both consist of same amount of atoms. But the writing method is different. That is chemical formula. Both are silicates. Color, blue, purple. Hardness is this. Crystal style is orthorhombic. Tanzanite is orthorhombic. And the other one is monoclinic. You can remember it in the earliest lesson. Ri is 1.69 to 1.70. Sg, specific gravity, 3.2 to 3.4. Transparency is transparent to translucent is there. Double refraction is 009. Luster is vitreous, glass-like. Cleavage, there is a cleavage, perfect cleavage and imperfect cleavage. You can't understand this number. It is X, Y, Z directions number giving the cleavage direction. Mineral class is suicide. So, this can understand the colors in Tanzanite gemstone. For the Tanzanite, 4 C's are measuring properly. Color, clarity, cut, and correct weight. Those are the 4 C's you can remember. This is the color. See, very nice color, very deep, nice color. We can't find in another stone. More than the blue sapphire, it is colorful. These are the rough stones. These are the cut and polished stones. This stone is 12.65 carats. It replaced the blue sapphire in the world. Now you can understand the color. It is like blue sapphire. nail cutter wood flower is very close to this color in Sri Lanka. Tanzanite is considered as 20th century gemstone. It is considered as 20th century gemstone. See the colors. Tanzanite. All are like blue sapphires. But the special thing is, it gives three colors into three directions: x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis, giving three colors. So it is tricolored gemstone. When it is grading, this is the chart. Tanzanite color intensity chart. So see, D. This is D plus, very low coloring. C plus. See, little by little it is improving the color into the right side. This is the maximum color. Maximum color and the second maximum is grading as double A and double A plus. This is the way we are categorizing the color. That is called extremely rare. This color is extremely rare. If we got here, you can see that color. If we got that color, it is going big price. You can see all the colors here and the different colors also. Then A plus, B plus, C plus, D plus are the color grading. So B plus and A is high standard colors. A plus is rare. Double A and double A plus is extremely rare. See the difference. This is the only grading system in Tanzanite. The other gemstones are not grading like this. D, C, there are two color grading, C and C plus, D and D plus, B and B plus, A and A plus, double A and double A plus. B plus and A is considered as high standard colors. A plus is rare. Double A and double A plus is extremely rare. So you can understand these are the extremely rare stones colors. And you can try to grade these colors with this intensity chart. Look at this also. See the color. Double A, double A plus, double A, double plus. See the three colors given into three directions. Same stone giving three colors. These rough stones. Look at the rough stone shapes. And here, rough stones. See the colors. This is the third largest Tanzanite in the world. Very good color, double A, double plus, extremely rare color. Here, Tanzanite, turquoise, and the zircon is there to mention the colors they are giving. Tanzanite, turquoise, and zircon. In here, I can show you if it is a corundum. This is the shape, hexagonal shape. Then the pleochroism or vacuum is in the z-axis. So we are facing the table to z-axis. When we cut the stone like this, facing the table for c-axis. That is the main rule to cut the pleochroic gems. If it is a synthetic, vernal synthetic corundum, no shape like this, it is like this, then it will zoom and take two stones from these sides. Look at the table. Table is not in the c-axis. Table is not in the c-axis. That is the different cutting. Direction of strongest pleochroism is in this way. So we cut the gemstone facing that direction. But the synthetic corundum, no, it is not cutting to face the pleochroism to table. So that is, I mentioned here, when we cut the stones here also, Tanzanite, we have to think about the pleochroism. That is mainly. Now look at this. When we watch this in this side, x-axis, one color is given, the other side, another color is given, blue and violet. Because this is trichloric gemstones. See the colors. Always Tanzanite is grading with C4, like a diamond. Diamonds are grading with C4, especially after the diamond, main stone is using C4 is this Tanzanite. 5 things to know about Tanzanite. First one is in 1967, Tanzanite was first discovered by a follower by the name of Manuel. He given the name. Number 2 is celebrated by the specialists as the gemstone of the 20th century. Number 3, third fact is known to have the power to activate and integrate the energies and helps in metaphysical healing, the healing properties. Number 4, valued by the depth of its color. Deeper the color, more valued the Tanzanite. It is number 4. Number 5 is found only in one place in the world, mineral hills in northern Tanzania, near the city of Arusha and Mount Kilimanjaro. This is the place. Found in only this place, not any other place in the earth. We can't find the Tanzanite. What is so special about Tanzanite? It is discovered only in Tanzania, thus considered a rare gemstone. Tanzanite stone presents rare hues that are very hard to find. Hues. It is associated with spirituality. It is pleochroic, showing 3 different colors when viewed from different directions. These are the directions: z-axis, x-axis, y-axis. You know that between the x and y-axis, the angle is 90 degrees. Between the x and z also 90 degrees. Between the y and z is also 90 degrees. These are the 3 directions. Look at the trichloroism. When we watch in 3 directions of this stone, we can see this color. One direction gives this color, the other direction gives this color, the other direction gives this color. So it is trichroic gemstone. Look at the trichroism or pleochroism in Tanzanite. See, the same stone gives 3 colors into 3 directions. Same stone gives these 3 colors. Rough stones. All are rough stones. This is side, this is front side, but the different colors given. So this is very special thing in Tanzanite. Subscribe, like and share, and give support to our youth to learn this. Next, we are learning crystal shapes. Crystal shapes, length, width, and the height gives the 3Ds. So we have to understand the crystal shapes very well to learn about gems. Join us and learn and enrich your future with us. We will meet in next lesson. It is part 3. It is lesson number 45. Please subscribe and give share to our youth. We will meet on next lesson.